I'm using my shake and massager because my stubborn belly are crazy. So I'm using this 20 minutes here front, and the back is 20 minutes as well. After the 20 minutes here, I turn around and then turn it on another 20 minutes, and then I step on the machine. So I'm burning based on the uh, details, information from this shaken massager. If you use it within 20 minutes, actually maximum to use is 20 minutes per session, and then another one at the back, another 20. So it will burn at least 5 to 600 calories, and then another 300 calories when you step on the machine, which is the therapy 90. All right, so those who doesn't have this shaken massager, see it's says I don't know if you could see it, 22, 19, 18, 17 seconds, 15. So and then after this I will turn it around for another 20 minutes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. I don't know if you hear the sounds. So now I'm twisting it around. Yeah. Just like that. So I turn it around, I turn it on. There you go. See, another 20 minutes at the back. So guys, those who doesn't have a shaken massager, I strongly suggest, buy this. And then, hi, welcome to my new office here in Toronto. So I just got this. So my plan is after Xiamen Singapore trip, my plan is not to have an office anymore, because my plan is to go all over or across Canada to expand my business, right? So look at that. You will feel the heat, and it's massaging your back, and even here in my belly earlier. So yeah, that's the plan, to expand, and but through my social media, YouTube channel, Facebook group page, Facebook page, a lot of pickups. So they're asking where is my office, and some of them, they want to come and try the machine. So the other day I decided to have a small one, at least I could entertain, accommodate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 person, 7 people. So I have 3 machines. I have 2 P90 plus. I have 1 P90. I can have another one if they are like 4 people. But I'm confident that the 3 is okay, because after the 30 minutes, because and then it will switch, or someone will could use the other one, right? So yeah, and look at here at the back. See, it's me here. So look at this. I don't know if you could see it, guys. Oops, where is it? Oh, no, 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 no. Where is it? So that's me talking, right? Yeah. I'm talking about the compensation plan. Yeah. If you buy this Therapy 90, the machine, you can enjoy if you want to. I'm not a doctor, but there's a disclaimer, of course, that I'm not a doctor. This is not to cure, right? This company is a wellness technology, so we are not a medical. Our machines or products are not a medical device. So there's always a disclaimer of this. But but the bad is a lot of users having those a lot of issues actually, like gout, arthritis, frozen shoulders, sciatica, plantar fasciitis, and more, based to those users from Asia. And some of us here in North America, we get rid of those because of those machines, right? So like, I mean, this is insane. This is I mean, amazing machine. Combinations of PEMF and terahertz. Those who are curious about PEMF and terahertz, that was like how many decades ago, some smart people, they did their own research about it, and it they found out that it will help us a lot. Right? So I strongly suggest, because I'm not a doctor, I'm not a medical practitioner, so I suggest to those who are curious, instead, just do your own due diligence. It's very powerful. So I found this opportunity, about this opportunity and with this machine, to one of a friend, and I was amazed because I used to have my sciatica, my back pain, or I mean back pain. Sciatica is on this lower back, all the way there, because I drive almost every day. So that's where I got this. Sometimes it will numbness on my right leg, right? So I said, oh wow, what is this? So it's hard to sleep, and sometimes if I'm driving, like I could feel that like the muscles are tight. Sorry. So I said, oh, what is this remedy? I went to my therapist, using my insurance to do some massage. I I also get a chance to talk to a specialist to what is the best thing to do, right? So, and then they can't do anything. When I found this machine, wow, this is insane. I'm telling you guys, I use it by heart from morning, noontime, and during the night before I go to bed. In just 3 weeks, now I'm pain free. And then the good thing with this is I get a chance to travel. I get a chance to travel for free, because of this. And of course, the income, not to brag, I can live a happy life. I mean, I can pay all my bills now. That I'm not rushing, work here, work there, not anymore. Like, I mean, because I need money to pay bills. But because of this, you know what I'm doing? I'm looking to someone, to people who has this uh, you know issues, health issues, and then I just share. You know what? With this amazing machine, I'm telling you, first, second, third times that they use this, they will feel something. Again, I mean, it's not magic, but it will help. They will feel something. And then the following day, when I call them, hey friend, you know, Marlo, you know what? I sleep well. You know what? My pain, I didn't feel that much anymore. Can you come back and sure, you know? So in that way, helping people to get rid of those pains, it's a blessings, because when they buy the machine, the money will follow. So what I'm saying is, share it first, let them to try, let them to experience what I've experienced, and then the money will come. And the travel for free are waiting for you. So again, guys, This is amazing. So those curious about this, I strongly suggest reach out. You can reach me at 647-721-8884. Again, it's 647-721-8884. You can WhatsApp me, Viber me, Messenger me, you know, just shoot a message or text me or call. Or through this YouTube channel, I have my email address on my channel. All right, and also I will post this to my Instagram and also to my Facebook page. All right, so hey guys, I'm happy doing this. I'm doing this every single day. You know, so I'm a firm believer that God is, watching us, guiding me to find those people who are curious about this, and especially those who are in pain. That hey, help them, help, share the blessing, share this amazing machine to them, and then the blessings will follow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And then look, I'm enjoying my shaken massager right now. This massager has the PEMF as well. Alright, it's PEMF and terahertz inside. So it will get rid of that back pain as well. This, you know, this stubborn belly. Soon, I will keep you posted guys with this amazing shaken massager and this stubborn belly. Cheers!